Let's just do a really quick fire video to show you a couple of really cool and neat and simple features that are in Miro itself. So on the first part of this meeting culture toolkit, there is the scorecard. So this is a kind of simple assessment, and I've used the alignment scale. So there's a number of questions, and obviously you can move to agree, strongly agree, a like at scale style. And then over here, there's a couple of questions. One is, what is an area where our meetings fall short? And the other is, what's one small change we could make today? So there's a little bit of ideation, quickly thinking of possible solutions. Now, here's what I wanted to show you. And this is something called an action shortcut. I just love this because you can just configure this button to do what you want to do. And in this case, I've just said, take all of these stickies and use a bit of Miro AI to summarize these and create a document, because very often you're going to have a bunch of messy stuff all over the board. And really what you want to do is, perhaps if this is asynchronous, someone's going to come to it and go, what's actually going on here? Or you can cut and paste and put it in something else. Or in fact, and I'll just show you, I'll let that do its thing. Or you can even edit the document inside Miro itself. But as you can see, and you're always going to have to check this, it's done a pretty good job of summarizing the areas for improvement and the suggested actions. I just love that one click thing. So if you haven't tried that in Miro, I'd give it a go. I think it is in customizable widgets there. Anyway, another neat little trick, just a great tool just to automate something, but also enhance the collaboration.